Okay, besicela oholo umoya asivulele ngomkhuleko. So bafowethu thina sithwele igcoko socela ukuthi sehlise sizazibuyisela after umkhuleko. Oholo umoya sicela asivulele ngomkhuleko.
Besicela ukuba bathule isigqoko. Singadibisa amakhanda wethu. Babe egameni likaJesu Kristu egameni namandla mnikazi wempilo mdalo wento zonke nakulesi sikhathi inkosi sisangenile kule ndawo sibiza igama lakho Nkosi yezulu othi wena sikufuna sesenokutholakala Nkosi onamandla wonke sibiza igama eliphezulu kwamagama onke igama likaJesu Kristu waseNazaretha sithi baba singene kule ndawo akusihlakanipha akusikwazi wethu akusiqonda wethu kodwa kungomusa nangothando lwakho Nkosi yezulu umnini mandla wonke siyacela Nkosi onamandla wonke ehlisa umoya othando enhlizweni zethu engqondweni zethu kubo konke thulisa konke okwenyama Nkosi onamandla ubuse konke okukamoya sila kule ndawo makube khona ukuthandana nokuzwana Nkosi onamandla konke sikuyenzayo masikuyenze ngentando yakho kungasintando yethu ngokwazi kwethu sicela wena siyanxusa egameni likaYise indodana likaMoya Engcwele sisingenelela dwale lihle uthulise zonke izivunguvungu noma sifuna ukuvela njani ngendlela enjani sibiza igama eliphezulu kwamagama onke sithatha indawo Nkosi yezulu egameni likaJesu Kristu uzoyiphatha naphansi amen.
Sibonge comrade Klimo. So I think ukuthi sizoqala ngeprogram yethu. Ngoba sesivulile ngomkhuleko. Sizoqala ngeintroduction. So I think comrade Hlandla uzongasista ngeintroduction already bese ngisintroduceile uprogram director today it's Thozani Mabuza. Uzonikeza ucomrade Hlandla an-assiste nge-introduction amandla.
Ankosi sikelela i-Afrika amaluphakanyise ngiyabingelela futhi izihlalo zonke ngokuhlukahlukane ngizocela baba uMogo usondele because ngizo-introduce mina esayidini la ngapha ekhaya bese uzongisiza wena uku-introduce esayidini lekhampani igama lami nguNhlanhla Makamthweni ngihlala la ngumhlali wala ewo29 and leadership uTimothy Likhele ngizo-introduce umsebenzi wami mncane kakhulu lana ukuthi ngizo-introduce nje izambeli zethu esinazo ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo. Ngizoqala ngoku-introduce ubaba uStirman uHlapi, it's a councillor base Ward 1, acting speaker ofisini la speaker njengoba uspeaker wethu abambekile. So uyathumela konke la ngekho khona uyamthumela ukhansela ukuthi makube nguye ukhansela uHlapi omela iofisi la speaker. Ngizocela sikumeni imshayeleni izandla. Bese ngi-introduce ngisisekhaleni eWard 23. So umuzi nomuzi unabanikazi. Sinobaba ukhansela uClass okhona phakathi kwendawo uye osleader ngaphansi kweWard 23. Ngicela simshayeleni izandla. Bese ngizo-introduce abosingabo bala ekhaya. Sihlangene namuhla silana kumayihlokonono Disabled Center. Sinomama lana uhamba nogogo bakhona phakathi kwethu kunosesi nasemuva bakhona futhi nabanye abasizayo but ngizocela just umama bawave izandla nibashayele izandla baphathi bendawo. Bese ngibingelele osuka lana uprogram director wethu uThokozana kaMabuza, it's a ward secretary ese 29 ngicela simshayeleni izandla. Bese ngi-introduce our chairperson wase-Ward 29, uLwazi Gumede. Ngicela sukume nimshayeleni izandla naye. Bese nginobhuti engisebenzisana naye, bambiza ukuthi uSikhamo abamaziyo, uThabo kaBatsiba, the incoming councillor ezayo. Ngicela asukume nimshayeleni izandla. Bese nginosesi uJulia uMafara, naye odila nge-Disable Center from Mafara NGO. Ngicela sukume naye nimshayele izandla. Ngine leadership, ngiyayibona imelele namuhla bathi bakwatile ukuthi singene ehodini labo. Ngiyanibulisa Comrade Zanza naneni khona nonke lapho. Bese nginobhuti uThapelo engisebenza naye. Bathi mabakhuluma bathi amathi nolimi. Hlalelana endaweni eyi-1. La umthola khona uthola mina. So ngicela uthi isandla kuThapelo bakubone. Guys, njengoba ngishilo, I'm a chairperson of iFeminine Social Movement. Idila kakhulu ngabomama because raise i-voice yabomama. Sithi abomama baquiet kakhulu. So angihambi ngingedwa, ngihamba nama-member weFeminine abazihluphile abakhona. Ngicela nithi izandla nje. Siyabonga. Oh, ngiyakhohlwa uThemba sivakashelwe namuhla ubhuti uThemba wala ehlaleni nawe ezinye izinkulu nje kwelinye iside lawo. Ngicela nimshayeleni izandla. Ngiyathemba akekho ngimkhohliwe ngokwephutha. Ngiyabonga. Ngicela nami ningishayele izandla.
Sizonikeza umphathi introduce wonke amalunga abanga-introduce. Ngiyabonga.
Sanibonani ama-comrades nabazalwane. Zonke inhlanga zihlangene. Namhlanje ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi is a special day because we are here to honor the senior citizens of the country. So asibonge kakhulu ukuthi sikwazile ukuyekela konke, and then that this drive of is it 16 or 17 minutes? 67 minutes, not only 16, and so forth, to make this thing, to be a success. Without any further much ado, as I've said, the name is William Moko. Angazi nje indaba yama-title, but at any case, awuzweke ngoba ngathi if we say disclose ama-title kakhulu ingahle ibe nenkinga. Kodwa ke it will be a miscarriage, to the process if we are not honoring, the dignitaries that have taken their time to come and, celebrate this day with us. The dignitaries who has made this, program to be successful, and that it would be a fallacy. Let me do this. Starting from this side, our contracts manager, Mrs. Christine Moropa. Please stand up, let the crowd see you, from Oria Holding. Thank you so much. And then we have got our international director, Mr. C. Dave, who has embraced, the occasion today as well. Mr. Dave, thank you so much. We have got our director in South Africa, Mrs. Ledwaba, ngimbiza ngomam Dokotela. Ma'am, you can raise your hand. Thank you so much. And then we have got our operational director, Mr. Ryan Vingat. Mr. Vingat, please. Thank you so much. We have got our GM, Mr. Inos Saizi. Thank you so much. And then we have got our head of security and risk, Mr. Mbata. From health and safety, I've got Shariska Mariski. Hi, you may wave the hand. And then I've got Ose Simpo. And then so it's a very long name to call. Anyway, thank you so much. I've already introduced myself. It's a minister without portfolio. Yeah, when I do some kumbu. Thank you so much. Let me step down. Thank you.
Sibonga umdali wento zonke, umdali wethu. Siphila ngoba kuvume yena, siphila ngoba kusehleleni lakhe. Kwenzeka lokho kwenzakalayo ngoba kuvume yena. Sihlangene kungenjongo yakhe. Imali hlonolo yaqala ngo-1994, 31st May. Aqala eMaloma Primary School le elokishini sisebenzisa amaklasi amadala sawarenta. Imali hlonolo is named after my daughter beka ICP angahamba ngakhulumi bekahlala nje kuphela. So she passed away in 2000. So angizange ngithi ngoba ushonile sengiyekela umsebenzi ngingaqhubeka ngomsebenzi till kwamanje. Sigane ngabantwana abawu6 eklasini nje elilodwa. But isikhathi masihamba sigcine sinabantwana abawu15. Waya ngabona ukuthi indawo seyincane safuna indawo umasipalati waseusallocateela kule stand esikiso manje. Mangisuka elokishini ngisuke ngo-2010 mangiza la iScorpion Legal Protection kwaba yiso esingithengela ama-Wendy houses ngasebenzela kuma-Wendy houses lawa akhona la eJardini. Wayenzeka ukuthi before ngizosuka elokishini bengiloko ngibhizi ngifuna ama-funds. Ngayenza sure ukuthi sele nginestandi mangiphasise iplan mangifika ngapha kungukuthi iplan li-ready. Ngempela kube njalo mangifika la ngifike iplan lami liphasile li-right. Mangikhuluma ne-extractor carbon yade extractor coal. Extractor coal iyo ngo-2013 eyakhona ukuthi isakhele lana yayakha le first phase le esihleli kiyo. Ngo-2014 yabuya yaqedisela leya second phase ngale phezulu. Sisebenza ne-social development, sisebenza ne-Department of Education. Abantwana bethu sinabantwana abahlala la, sinabantwana aba-stimulation abezayo bese bayahamba. Initially it was not meant for a residential facility, but because of ama-challenges abazali abahlangabezana nawo, abantwana bayahlukumeza ngokuthi impumalanga inganawo ama-resources for abantwana. So sabona ukuthi abantwana basibanikeze ikhaya bakwazi ukuthi bahlale, bakwazi ukuthi babonelele ukuthi medication bayayithola, balala badlile, balala bangama-pampers a-dry. So yeah, sila sikhona namuhla. Siyabonga lokho kwenzakalayo. Sine staff of 22. Besinaye i-email nurse besebenza nayo kodwa ngoba bekase pensionini samthatha sasebenza naye kodwa kwamanje vele uretire umuntu ohambile ngohlala ekhaya. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi that's the brief yemali hlonolo. Ngiyabonga.
Halala emalahleni, halala. Halala mahlonolo, halala. Oh, halala Oria Holding, halala. No, thank you very much, Minister. Without a portfolio. Yeah, no. Good afternoon, everyone. Halala, Panavarena, halala. No, Raleboga, man. Mam Hlonolo, Raleboga, man, Hlokomela, Labantona V2. Because sometimes as a leader, or as a Pagati, Rabadis Abafisha. So we're not in a home or a keeper. And siyabonga to Kete wa 23 always vela sibala and then baleta izinto ze right even with JC whatever siyabonga Oria Holding tomorrow velane and then a continuation program, not only a Nelson Mandela program. I have a program ongoing because after July there is a tomorrow badla. You see, so siyabonga sesinhlanhla man. Yeah, hey, what phone, man? What's up? Hey, busy is my cancel. I grow as only my incoming, only my outgoing. So we are busy. Up and down. But I call my volunteers. Were introduced who send next door, but hey, so I'm 29. What's my corner? What community up? I'm introducing that. So quite either man. But members say what 23, even our colleagues. I'm acting councillor 29, minister portfolio. I'm acting all food. just akuvile because bakhona ama-secretary are busy assisting each other. So sibonga kakhulu acting speaker in a short notice, and then we are here. So umakhelwane uStriman sesemusha isibhisi ke ngoprogram izako la inkulu kakhulu, and then isibhisi ngayi, but is coming ekubhoda, and then Oria I think lizoyibona ukuthi emalahleni we are busy with this solar energy plant program, green whatever, but we are busy planning as soon as possible. Sibonga kakhulu man program director uzalaikhala thina silamukela everyone, especially ama guest wethu. Tomorrow director must come back. Director, you must come back again. Ne? Thank you very much. Must come back and assist our children here. So mina msebenzi wami ukuthi ngilamukele nje akunamagama amaningi because akiza ngapha siba emotional yaba. And then thola ukuthi isikhathi esiningi because siya up and down, umama siyamazi wethu. Yeah. So nami ngifike last time basithembisa emajojo somewhere else, bathola preparation is right. So sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uzama outside the private and then a government, and then up and down umama wethu. So sibonga kakhulu if asha okunye ama calls again. So program director asoba amagama amaningi, but sithi inhlanhla keep up leli mkhaya naye ngale akufika take eyawuthi akavela eyorukidimalena. So kidimalena what 6. I want what 6-year producer. So we are what 6, but today is a businessman. I'm happy, or at least there's a young generation as cool vela. Sambas born, and we must work together and we must leave this thing of tribalism, because say South Africa city bahambe, but what do we do? City bahambe, but what do we do? Bela bahambe fana sifake store. And then it's trubeke life, because manje bathi bahambe abantu bayagijimisana silwase sodwa noma landlord, but it's fine. Sibonga kakhulu la ekhaya abantwana bethu sithi whatever khona nathi sima leaders so hamba search, and then we'll come back silethe umphakathini wethu. So 67 say celebrate but I have an ongoing program. Sibonga kakhulu program director.
Thanks, Pastor.